part. Hi, welcome to the first part of the CAD CAM assignment. So here we see the first geometry, which has unique dimensions to my student number. As you can see here, 58 millimeters being um, one such example of that. Now, um, here is my machining simulation showing all the steps involved. So first we just milled out that curved rectangular profile out of the rectangular stock piece. Yep, and second is just milling down to that first level there, um, leaving a wide distance here between the spherical shape and just doing regular milling down to this wall level. The next level was going from here down a step, leaving that wall height. I couldn't quite get the details around there because of the um, mill pass distance. And later on, we decreased that so we could get that detail. But first of all, we used the ball mill and its curved end to get some detail on the hemisphere. Um, as you can see here, it's just going around. Just taking a little bit to load there. So I might just go into how I set up the part. So, yep, made my geometry to my unique dimensions, and then set the stock dimensions, which is just the maximum box dimensions for this part. Establish the coordinate system in the top left there, with the y-x plane and z being the extrusion direction. For tools, I used 4 different tools. First being a 10 millimeter end mill to get the bulk cut away. Second piece I used was a smaller end mill, a 9 mil, just for getting some of the details in these square sections, and still being able to leave some material for a final pass, as that distance between these square sections is only 10 mils. So needed a smaller piece for that. The third piece we have is a ball mill, just for getting the detail and resolution on that spherical shape there. Number 4, we have a drill, which was used for cutting these out. So that's a 20 mil drill bit. So for the first pass, as previously mentioned, just cut out that elliptical profile out of the rectangular stock piece. That was using the bulk 10 mil end mill piece. After that, just cut down to that wall height and just got a very rough cut out of that hemisphere shape. And just going down one level, you can start to see the square sections come out here, but because of the large mill pass width distance, couldn't quite get the resolution there. So here we went through with the ball mill. We're able to get pretty good resolution on this. Good enough, at least for a final pass. A bit rough around the top and particularly around this section here, but nothing that a final pass wouldn't be able to handle. So that's that. Second last step we had was just drilling those holes using the 20 mil drill bit. And the final section is getting the detail around the bottom of that curve there and through the square section by using that 9mm and mill and reducing the pass width so that the software was able to compute these smaller sections here. Thank you.